Hi witches! So today we are continuing with our correspondence chart, and I am going to introduce you to some of my my top 5 favorite crystals. I am admittedly new to the world of crystals. I started kind of really getting into them in October when a couple members of the witch discord that I run recommended a couple to me. Side note, if you would like to join, please just feel free to message me on like Instagram or on here. I don't know if you can direct message me on here, but if you can, feel free. I also have Instagram and TikTok and stuff, so I will be checking that. If you'd like to join the Discord, I'll just send you the link and the rules, and I want to keep it kind of like, I don't want to, just put a link out there and possibly have someone like rude or mean go in there and just be like, meh. So I'm just trying to keep it like as contained as possible, right? So feel free to message me. There isn't any requirements or anything, but I do want to kind of keep it safe from like outside people who might be kind of mean, right? So anyways, I have 5 crystals that I really want to talk to you guys about, and these are really great, I think, for beginners based on my like experience with them as a beginner. So I am very, very excited to like delve into the world of crystals. I am now kind of obsessed. So the first crystal that I really recommend is clear quartz, which is, I don't know if you can even see this, but I hope you can. It's clear. It's like a little rock. This is like 100% my favorite that I have ever really worked with. I have worked with quartz in the past, but like I was never really into like collecting crystals, and now I'm just like, give me all of them. So going back to like the video about colors, quartz is like very similar to the color white in that it is versatile across all workings. It amplifies literally everything. It is a great stone to absorb negative energy. It's a good stone for protection. It brings your energy like really back into balance, and it's really easy to find. I mean, like, I'm sure you can find it online, but most like metaphysical stores and even like craft stores sometimes like have quartz crystals. So this is mine. It's like a little tumbled one. Okay, the next one is Obsidian, which is called Dragon Glass in Game of Thrones. But it is literally my second favorite crystal, not just because it's like goth as hell, like look at that, that's just really cool, but it's really good for protection, which is like my big thing is protective magic, and it is great for like removing negativity. It is great for like protection from outside negativity. In fact, I really want to get like an obsidian ritual knife for my practice. Like that's one of my goals for this year. And like as a witch, your first priority really should be, in my opinion, right, is to protect yourself, right? No matter if you've been practicing for 10 years or like 10 minutes, like protection is key, right? So Obsidian is a super good stone for that. I've had this for like years and years. I think I stole it from my mom, which before anyone freaks out, she's a geologist, so she has like tons of rocks. Like she loves them and like would let me pick stones out. So like this is a really cool piece that she found, I think. So this is my Obsidian, which I love it. The next one that I really like is Tiger's Eye. This one I really like mostly because it's pretty, but it is really good for like grounding and aiding from like psychic like energy. Like if you're just feeling very overwhelmed and you feel like you're being like attacked, right? Tiger's Eye is very good for that, and it's also a stone that like boosts your confidence, like if you're holding it, so it kind of gives you that like I don't know, the energy or like the swagger of a tiger, apparently. I haven't seen that so much, but I love looking at it. It's so pretty. The funny part is I went to a metaphysical store with my boyfriend and we both picked out Tiger's Eye. We were both like, oh, this is awesome. And like, we're like back to back and then looked at each other and we're holding like the same rock. It was really funny. But yeah, it's a really cool one and also a really, I think, pretty common one. So you should be able to find this pretty easy. Moonstone. Okay, so this is Moonstone. This is another one that I like just because it's really pretty and it like has like this bluish like sheen to it. If anyone has like Moonstone jewelry or like a store that like specifically works with Moonstone jewelry, please let me know because I am in the market. I really like this because I work a lot with the lunar cycle, so it's a moonstone and it has like a lot of lunar energy for me. It also brings healing and happiness and like intuition. So there's that. Get yourself a moonstone. I just really like it. God, I keep looking at all of this stuff. I'm sorry, I swear. Like I'm focused, but I'm also a magpie. Okay. And the final stone that I really like, or the final crystal that I really like, this is Selenite. This is a new one to me. I had never heard of this before. I'd never really worked with it before. The other ones I kind of vaguely knew like what was going on with those, but these like my witch friends told me about, and I was like, this is awesome. So I got a piece of it and I was like really upset. I had to go to like 3 different stores for whatever reason until I found like a really nice like piece. But this stone is like amazing for cleansing. Like I I cleansed my tarot deck with this for the first time like when I first got it, and it can cleanse yourself, your tools, even other crystals. So like if of all the stones, maybe other than like clear quartz, like this would be my second like recommendation if you're gonna get like 2 stones, right? Selenite, super recommend it. There are literally dozens of crystals out there that you can add to your collection, but these are personally my top 5. If you guys want to add these to your correspondence chart, I can upload, I'll try to put some like notes in the description. But let me know what other crystals you work with and like what you're going to be putting on your correspondence chart, because there is like tons of them out there and I am always open to learning about more. So please tell me about your favorite ones. I'm so excited. All right guys, bye. I'll talk to you tomorrow.